And this is Brian here, and this is my big yellow mixer that my Aunt Tammy gave me. I'm gonna plug in. I'll show you if it works really good. I'm gonna plug this in right now. Put this baby in here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this thing works. Works really good. Works good, huh? Under here is a light here. That's a light right here. That's a mixer there for a light when you're baking stuffing. Okay, this is my mixer that my Aunt Tammy gave me, the big yellow mixer. So I'm going to put this on YouTube. Please like my video, like and comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will, so, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Please reply to my video when you watch it, when you see it. Alright, ta-da for now. This is going on YouTube.